Hello everyone, Namaskara and welcome back. I'm a stickler for clean spaces, so cleaning is more like an everyday thing for me. It just helps me function a little better, I think. In today's video, I will show you some products for the bathroom that I have been loving and also how implementing a simple daily routine will help you have a cleaner bathroom. So let's get rolling. A must-have product if you have glass shower is squeegee. Trust me, this works wonders. The first thing I do right after a bath is to squeegee the shower walls. This helps take out the excess moisture. This quick little step can save a lot of time when cleaning later. Not only showers, but you can also use it to remove moisture from any surface, for example, tiles, tubs, etc. The next product I have been loving is the Method Daily Shower Spray. I use a DIY version of this as well. All you have to do is spray the shower with this to prevent soap scum buildup. I have been using this spray for over a year now and I love how my shower looks almost spotless. The best part about this is that you do not even have to rinse it. Spray this right after you squeegee and you're good to go. This again can be used in sinks and tubs. These ones have refills as well, or if you wish to make your own, I will have the recipe in the description box below. This is by far my favorite. Cleaning also means hiding eyesores, I think. This efficient behind-the-door towel rack sits on the hinges of the door, so it's a great space saver and also keeps things hidden. I think just hiding things makes your bathroom look clean. We hang our towels here right after the shower for air drying, and since it's behind the door, it helps in making the space look cleaner and neat. As always, I will have a link for all the products that I've used in the description box below. Having a microfiber cloth handy makes everyday cleaning a breeze. Just wipe down surfaces that take water splashes, which is the sink, tub and mirrors. This step can be done with just a plain cloth, or if you have time, spray on an all-purpose cleaner and just clean it up. The point here is to get the work done and definitely not spend too much time on your daily cleaning. The final step is to quickly straighten up or organize the spaces. Clear countertops, refold towels, make sure all your essentials are stocked up and in the right place. I do not shove it into another place while I'm doing this because guess what? I have to clean that space as well. Having lesser items on the countertop and also having them in trays or bins or whatever that's convenient for you makes cleaning a little more easier. These are some simple ways I follow to keep my bathroom clean on a daily basis. Making this a daily habit ensures you will never have to walk into a bathroom that is cluttered or dirty. Also, make sure you're not spending more than 5 minutes to do all of these daily. Of course, with all this, I still deep clean once a week with a few more added steps like emptying the trash, scrubbing the tub or shower, vacuuming and mopping the floor. But this daily cleaning habit makes my weekly cleaning a lot more easier and quicker. This is how my bathroom looks after a quick cleaning session. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some tips to help maintain a clean space. Thank you all for stopping by. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and I shall see you all very soon in my next one.